Hey guys, frequent lightning right now. I'm hearing all sorts of lightning strikes, so I went ahead and recorded again. And let me record some more bad weather for you guys. Enjoy. Whoa, saw one over there. Not sure how well you can hear them though, the thunders though. I'll try my best though, so where you guys can hear it better. Oh! Crazy. Oh man. That is absolutely crazy. That is crazy. Whoa. Let me turn off my fan, see if it makes it better. Hold on. Hopefully the phone will stay there. Hopefully my phone won't fall or anything. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can hear the lightning better now. Not really, but I will. That was like the fifth one right there. Jeez. Oh, man. That is crazy. Oh, man. Some of this lightning is getting pretty scary back there. Starting to kind of creep me out. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Yeah, the reason why I'm capturing this mostly is because the lightning over here seems like it's just incredible. So I want to record it over here so you guys can see how bad some of these strikes are. Oh, that was like a split second though. It was like a flash. So it's kind of hard to see. I apologize. Look at that. There's some blue sky over there, but over here it's completely gray and dark right here. Yeah. It's starting to move out. I mean, it's starting to come towards that way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we got a little bit of rain yesterday. It wasn't really that impressive. We just got a little bit of rain yesterday at my school. Yeah, if you guys are curious. We're getting a pretty bad thunderstorm today over here. Still raining out there. I have a feeling there is a chance of hail, probably. Pretty soon. I have a feeling it's coming. I have this weird feeling it's coming. Whoa! Whoa! Man. Wow, that was like 8 of them right there. Oh yeah, the rain's getting thick. You see that? It's very hard to see. I apologize. The rain's getting thick. That means we are getting hail, guys. Oh, wow. I could tell we are getting hail. It's thick enough to where I think it can form hail. Look at how thick that rain is. It's hard to see, though. Very hard to see. I apologize. Oh, man. It's like literally impossible to see. Sorry. The quality on this phone isn't that great, so you can't really see it very well. Oh, man. Yep. I see some hail on the ground right now. It's only like pea-sized hail. It's not that big. Oh, man. It's getting us good today, isn't it? Oh. Oh, yeah, this is pretty bad rainstorm right here. The rain's very thick, and even a little bit of hail. It's hard to see, though. I do apologize for that. But, oh, man, it's completely coming down. Yeah, over there is the part I'm most concerned about. Jeez. Yep, I see hail on the ground. Yeah, like around pea-sized hail. It's not that big. Like I said, we like never get big hail here. We just get very small pea-sized hail sometimes. In my area, we don't get very big hail when it hails. That's the good news. Yep. Oh, wow. Crazy. This is crazy. Look at that. There's another one. It's weakening slightly. It's still not going away. Yeah, this thing will probably take a while for it to go away. It's a pretty good storm so far. Oh, man. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, this is the second time we got hail this year. Oh, boy. Here's where it starts to get bad. Oh, wow. Completely gotten worse. Look at that. Yeah, you could see a little bit of hail on the sidewalk. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it's like there's like these little pieces of hail. I might go outside in a few minutes and show you guys, maybe. I'm not sure if I will or not. You know, honestly, I most likely won't. But yeah. Oh, wow. Complete downpour. I wish I had better quality on this phone, though, so I could show you guys the weather a lot better. Oh, wow, this part's starting to turn blue now, so I think it will go away pretty soon. Oh, the hail guys, look, the hail just improved in size. Whoa, this is the biggest hail I've ever seen in my life. Oh, my God. It got worse. Whoa. Oh, I hope our car is okay. This is not good. Guys! Oh my god! Look at that! This is the biggest hail we've ever gotten here. Oh man! That is bad! Ooh! Man, we got something today, didn't we? We got something today! There goes our car. There goes our car. This is terrible! Oh man! I remember it was like pea-sized hail. Now look at it. Now you guys can actually kind of see the hail a little bit. You know, guys, I'll make a deal with you. I'm actually gonna go in the I'm actually gonna go to the porch. Biggest hail I've ever seen here. Oh my god! Oh god. Wow. Oh, our cars are screwed. Uh-oh, I can't get out here. Biggest hail ever. Oh, man. Look at this. This is bad. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God. See you guys part 2. I'm going to go and make a part 2.